This is the newest way to trade, practically or automated, without you needing to do much analysis or market trend tracking. You just need to make a few settings and let the artificial intelligence do the work for you. And here we see directly in the account, guys, just so you have an idea, here in our trading section, I'll opening it up for you to see. I'll show you all the operations that are happening in our account. And the best part, guys, we make a configuration once and then we just need to keep track of the balance in the account and the balance in the tool in the artificial intelligence. Here are all the currencies that are circulating in our account. And if we look at the trading history here, all the trades that were made within our account up here, okay? So these are trades that happen here practically every hour, okay? And there are many of these that were made every day. So you can also make these trades a start. You can also start right now to let your account work automatically. I'm gonna show you all the details on how to configure everything, okay? Here, as you can see, our risk here is super healthy, a healthy margin for us to work with, and a very relaxed use of our margin as well. And you can also do this directly in your account with these settings that I'm going to show you now on the screen. So the first thing you're going to do is open your account here. The broker we're using here is BingX. And a sponsor for Ferrari and Chelsea, as you can see right here, official sponsor of Ferrari and also of the Chelsea Football Club. So a large broker where you can make your trades with peace of mind, mate. To start here, you're gonna click on the Buy Crypto button and you can make your purchases here using a visual MasterCard or bank transfer. You can click here to make your purchase quickly. And here you select what you want to use. For example, let's say you want to use USD or euros. There's also the option for euros here. Or you can also use dollars here, okay? Dollar. Below are several currencies available for you to use for the purchase. If you want to use dollars, toss it here and enter dollars. To make it work, ideally, you should enter between 100 and 400. And if you want to test it a little more, you can enter 800 or more. So here in Guane, let's say you enter, for example, he have 100. You'll do even better. Let's enter 400 so you can get the setup we're going to show you working exactly. You enter a little more to beat the USDT here. Let's enter, for example, 500, which will give us approximately 489 USDT. And here you select the payment method. That can be through Visa or MasterCard or also through P2P. And you can also make the purchase here. Okay, using the visual MasterCard will be much simpler, okay? Do it there and receive it in your account. You'll already have the dollars. Next step after that, and here you will create your account. When you click on our link, it will take you here. You will put your email address here. Here you will put your password. The code will appear here for you to have the best benefits within this artificial intelligence. You will click here to receive the code that will arrive in your email. You will put the code here. Click here to accept and click on register. This way you automatically subscribe to the artificial intelligence. Once that's done, you'll go to your account and then you can now make the additional settings that I will show you here. This app here is the app where we are running this strategy. Here you need to create your account. The links, as I said, will be both here in the video description and in the first pinned comment. Note the link for you to use the app with bonuses and benefits to pay as little as possible. You pay as little as possible. And also on BingX, you have the best trading bonus rates. There are over $9,000 for you to use within your account, both here in the app and also on BingX, guys. You need to do the following. And here, guys, you need to come to your account. You will obviously, after register with your email and password, you will come here and you will make a deposit to leave a balance here for the artificial intelligence to work with. Here, you will click on this button. Here you will come and select the amount you want to deposit. From 30 onwards, you can already put balance here to keep it working, okay? Click here, click on the pay button, click here on the deposit button, and here will open the option to deposit the SDT using the BSSC blockchain, that is a PEP20. If you copy your address here, this is mine, you will copy your address and paste it here. How do you make the deposit? Here, directly from BingX to here. You'll go to BingX, go to your withdrawal section, click here on withdrawal patch, stand with the balance in your account. You'll now select the USDT option, which is actually where you'll put the wallet address. This address exactly as it appears on the screen, this address here. Copy it, paste it here, and then you'll select the blockchain BEP20 Baruku. Okay. With BEP20 selected, you put the amount there, the value, which would be $3. Click the dollars, click the withdraw button. Once that's done, the withdrawal arrives almost instantly from the bot, okay? It will arrive here from the artificial intelligence. You go back to this screen, click here to pay SSC, and then you'll have a gas balance to use here to pay the fees that this artificial intelligence makes. Yes, like mine here. Remember guys, just one detail, it uses very little, but it will depend exactly on the amount you leave in your balance. The more coins you put into trade, and the more profit We're now at the beginning with a balance in our account. Let's click here to connect our exchanges, that is, connect BingX to the application, BOS account. We click on API, the screen will open, and here you'll click below to link your account to BingX, exactly as I'll show you as another example. Okay, since mine is already linked, I'll show you an example here. In this part, we go down here, it will select BingX DOS, click here, and we'll now enter our AP key and secret key configuration. And we also have here the IP address we use on BingX. I'll show you how to configure this now within the exchange. To configure this, you go up here. You'll go here, click on this little figure, click here on API. This page will open. Now, you're going to do the following. Click here to create an API. Click this button here. You're gonna give it a name, for example, IA Trade, okay? Just to have any name here. Select here, and then you have permission to allow spot trading and futures trading, okay? You come here and now put the IP address we saw in this part here. This IP address we're talking about, this little P that you're gonna paste. Click here to copy and paste it into our exchange API area. Domain, paste it exactly here. Now we paste the IP address here. Click here to confirm open. And then you go to this part here where your AP key will appear, and below it, your secret. And below it, just click on these two little meters, both here and here. Then you paste exactly here on this screen here. You're gonna paste the IP key. Next, you'll enter your secret here and click import. This will link your Bing account to the artificial intelligence so it can start making trades. After you link the account, your account balance will appear here, okay? Hey, so you know it's working, that it's correct tactic. Here, we've set aside $400 for operations, and you can also use more capital, okay? To use the $400, you can go to the homepage We have the artificial intelligence strategy and a more conservative strategy. To use the artificial intelligence, you'll use exactly this setup that I'm going to show you. Exactly the following. We've already clicked on the add part. Now, guys, let me grab this so I can do it along with you. Let's go. Now, with this part already set up, we're going to select the currencies and currencies. Let's see, select here. For example, the ones I'm typing here, see, BCH is for Bitcoin Cash. Now we're going to another one, okay? We're going to ETC, which is Ethereum Classic. Now we're gonna go to .de. It already appears here. We're gonna select CRV. Now, see, CRV already appears here too. We're going to select the cryptocurrency near. It already appears here. Then we come back here, see? And we're going to select the cryptocurrency link, see? Link, we select it. Now we're going to select the cryptocurrency. We already selected Wachatusina, and we're going to select LTC now. We've already selected these cryptocurrencies, and now we select the last one, which would be Gabar. I selected, we have 8 cryptocurrencies. Let's click the confirm button here. We leave it exactly as it is here. See? That's DCA. Down here, we leave 27. Number 6 here, see exactly as it is. And down here, we're also going to leave it as it is. Okay, set here break. We leave it here at 10x, and down here as well, exactly as it is. And click here on build futures, and the orders will automatically be opened in the BingX account. This way, you use artificial intelligence to trade non-stop within your account with 400 USDT. If you put if you put 800 USDT, you can put 16 cryptocurrencies, preferably cryptocurrencies that have some fundamentals, and that are cryptocurrencies with high volatility that is about, they go up and down a lot throughout the day. This way you can have your entire setup configured, and if you are doing this on your mobile phone and are also using the broker on your mobile phone, I will show you how you can use the same strategy to connect the BingX broker here with the AI. And to make the settings here through the application, we swipe to the side, we will click on the plus button, we will scroll down here until we find this API button. Click on API, this little screen will open that you will see here now. You have to wait a little bit, it takes a while, okay? And then when this screen opens, we'll be able to do the same configuration we did on the computer. So it makes it easier. For those using a computer, and those using a cell phone can do it too. Are you finishing reading this? You're going to click here to create a new API. Let's click here. Now here, you're gonna put a name here. It can be any name you think is good. For example, API trader here. Here I put TNDA trader dagdictor to read, in this case, to do spot trading and perpetual futures trading. This way, I can have both automations working. If later we add artificial intelligence to do spot trading, we'll also have that possibility. And down here, now we're gonna paste the IP address of the artificial intelligence of Techie. Now here, we're gonna paste the IP address. Here it appears, we confirm, and now it will do exactly this configuration and will release the secret and API key for us. Now we're going to scroll down here. Rapat bawah section will appear above. We're gonna click on this down arrow. And then you're going to do exactly that. You're going to copy the API key here by clicking this copy button here. And then you're going to copy the secret and paste it into the artificial intelligence app. This way you can link your Bing trading account with the artificial intelligence and get it running. Or tawana. And then to use the strategy, just follow the procedure I showed earlier. Go to the artificial intelligence section, click on Futures Z and enter the coins you want. If you have a capital of 400, you'll enter 8 coins. And if you have a capital of 800, you'll enter more coins. That is coins. And that's how you can make the trades. And if you think it's working, you can increase it exactly like that. Every 8 coins, 400. And you can find the calculations there to get several cryptocurrencies working and running 24 hours a day. This is a more aggressive strategy. If you want a more conservative strategy, just leave a comment here and we'll do our best to give you that option of the Grand Lanet of Parashaus or It's a more conservative strategy, less unprofitable, but still useful, and you can leave it running 24 hours a day. Sabriata. Comment here if you like this strategy. Comment here if you want your artificial intelligence to generate income for you. Yeah. And here you can see that the artificial intelligence is delivering profit every day. If you look at the ranking, you can see that the ranking has been very positive. Okay, 1,000 for first place, Seps 3 Sahwahus 3 second in third place, with 116 in profit to Lare today. Looking at the month, here we have first place with 169,000. Second place here with $80,000 and third place with 17,000. So that's how people are using and taking advantage of artificial intelligence with with exchanges, Bill. And can you also leverage the full potential of this strategy within your own app, Uma?